In previous videos, we talked about all the different components of brand strategy. Your brand strategy can consist of your purpose, mission, vision, values, target audience, personality, and voice. Your strategy defines your brand, while your visual identity, which is the topic of this video, expresses it. We are now getting into the tangible side of branding. Your visual identity is built on the foundation you laid with your brand strategy. Now, usually a visual identity includes your logo, fonts, colors, imagery and photography style, graphics and icons, and just your overall design style. It's basically the visual system your brand uses. Using our trusty bakery example, if their brand is warm, friendly, and community focused, their visual identity might include soft, warm colors, simple, welcoming fonts, and natural, cozy imagery. Now, compare that to a bakery that is modern, fast-paced, and convenience-focused. Their visual identity might be more bold, clean colors, simple, sharp typography, and minimal, fast-paced visuals. A common mistake is starting with visuals before the strategy. For example, choosing colors or a logo just because it looks nice. If your visuals don't connect with your brand strategy, your brand can feel inconsistent and confusing or just plain flat. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.